Oh hey, how you doing? We're going to use the Pso-Spine and get into our glutes. What's nice about this is that the peaks are a little bit more aggressive than the Pso-RITE, and we have multiple peaks to be able to get into different areas of that glute, which is nice. And we can be able to change the angle of where it's at. You can gauge the pressure by foot, elbow, doing the side plank, and then now I can just start to explore with different angles to get into the different parts of that glute. Same thing, like I'm shifting here on a different peak, finding some tender spots because those peaks are smaller surfaces so they can really get in there. And then I can shift forward and get onto this front side of the peaks, shift back, get on the back side of the peaks, and just shifting around, exploring. Staying away from the bone there, you can feel that bone here. We don't want to aggravate that area. There's not a whole lot of meat on next to that, or sorry, right on top of it. Next to it, we can get close to it to massage some of those connection points, but not trying to push too hard into that bone. But remember, so every area needs a nice little massage. I can get completely away from it. So this is the bone right there. I can get completely away from it and go up and down, circles. Now I can plant this foot and I can move this leg in different directions too. Excuse me, different directions too. So a little different with the Pso-RITE. Pso-RITE feels really good. It's like that elbow. This is like a thumb or a knuckle or a really sharp elbow getting into there. And if that's a little bit too aggressive for you, you can always try it on the wall. That feels really nice. And then there'll be another video that you can also use it in your chair, which is also great when you're traveling, because when you're sitting down a bunch in those airport seats or waiting for it, you can be able to really kind of sit and move around and get into that. So give that a go. Let us know. Reach out to us. We're here. Make sure you fill out that last part. It might seem a little bit redundant, but add in more stuff. If you're coming up with some new stuff, throw it in there. We'll probably do it. Okay, this program's for you. You're going to keep hearing that. But hey, we love you. We want you to feel better, move better, and do what you love to do when you want to do it, pain-free.